What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to do a quick video on Tesla because I see a number of people talking about Tesla and I'm really interested in it. I've made money on Tesla multiple times and I would like to get back into this position. It's looking really interesting to me. It's looking like something, yes, the market is, pulling it down, but I'm seeing it as a very clear buy to where I can gain a significant amount of money. Now, before I get started in this, make sure you hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Now, for Tesla, I really never buy anything more that's like 10 shares. I mean, I'm not a person that's going to throw, 100 shares there because it's a $700 stock. I'm not someone that's going to throw, 200, 300, 1,000 shares. I'm looking to basically stay exactly, where I am, stay in my wheelhouse, in my lane, so I don't have, a crazy amount in one position, right? That's not what I want. But you see what Tesla's doing, and it's very interesting. You could see the movement that it does have from movement like 675 all the way up to basically that 695 mark. That's a huge distance there to where if you know where it's going and you know that it's a positive movement, you can gain a significant amount of money, right? So especially if you're day trading, I feel like this is a great deal to day trade. Even if you only have 6 shares or 10 shares, you can get a decent amount of money there from day trading this. So you can see that in the beginning of the day, it rose to $700 where I thought that it was going to continue to rise just based on everything that was rising in the beginning. But as everything else did, it started to crash down. It started to fall. And this started to make it very interesting to where I was like, if this gets below like 650, maybe I'll have to buy in. I'll have to make another purchase here because I can see it going up to 700 again easily. But as I start to get through the rest of the day, I can see it continuing to drop down, slowly dropping down. It did increase, and that's what took my eyes off of it. But it did start to decrease like everything else, and I thought it was starting to be a great buy. If I can get this under $600, anybody can get this under $600, you definitely have a steal. And I understand there are people that think that this is not valued at the $800 mark to where it was. I believe it is based on the demand. I mean, yes, the company itself may not be valuable or may not be valued at that price point, right? But based on the demand, based on the cult-like following, based on the people that support Tesla and buy this position because it moves so much, yes, it is valued up there and it will go back up to that point. And I believe that that is the case here. That's what you need to really look at. Now, just like I said, it is something that's very interesting, and I don't want to make this video very long, but you obviously have the overall market down, and the overall market down, it really makes people think about what they can do, what they can invest into, because it starts to make things that seem like it's unattainable start to be more doable for a lot of people. $600 is a lot better than that $800 mark. That's $200 less per share. Basically you're saving on like $1,000 if you buy 10 shares or 5 shares. Sorry, I'm doing math wrong. But you're saving on $1,000 if you buy 5 shares, right? Versus getting it at $800, only if I can get it at 600. So I look at this as a great buy opportunity as long as it can get to a decent price point and you can see the activity here. You can see that the average volume is 39 million shares, and you've seen that the volume today was 29 million. So it was 10 million down, which does mean that we didn't have the influx in volume that we normally see. If it was closer to where the average is, then you could say that it is falling down based on the fact that we have the same buying power, but we just don't have, we have a lot more people that are selling or something like that. That's where I would get really interested in it. But I am 100% looking at this. This is going to be something that is on my watch list for tomorrow because, like I said, it creates a lot of value. It creates a lot of movement in something that you wouldn't normally get with other positions. And if you know me, if you watch my channel, I love the difference between the highs and lows. If you can get a difference between high and low of $50, obviously if it's lower than $1,000, then that makes it better. If it's $200 and you can get a high and low between $50, that'll be amazing. But even $600, getting a high and low between $50, you better be able to pick the right moment to where you are investing, because you want to be able to ride that on the way up, right? But then you also want to get out at a certain point to be able to make your profit. So I look at Tesla as a complete buy, in my opinion. But yeah, it looks really interesting to me. Let me know what you think about Tesla. If you're going to make any purchases, I know that it is a huge price to pay. and some people are more focused on AMC or GME or Rocket as well. So let me know what you're thinking. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Click the link, sign up, deposit $100, and you'll get those free stocks. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next video.